Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will show you how to install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV 3 easy ways. Viewers, please pay attention. This video is divided into two parts. First part consists of settings that you have to make before installation, and second part consists of different methods for installing third-party apps. So if you want to enjoy third-party apps, watch the video complete to install third-party apps on Samsung Smart TV. Part 1 Viewers, settings required prior to installation. First step is allow installation from unknown resources. To do that, on your Samsung Smart TV, go to settings, go to the personal tab, click security, look for unknown sources and set it to enable. Second step is viewers, enable developer mode. You will need to enable the developer mode. On your settings menu, go to Smart Hub, click apps, type 12345 as default pin. Next, look for developer mode and toggle it to on. Type the IP address of your computer and click OK. Then viewers, restart your Samsung Smart TV. Part 2 is viewer installation methods. Our settings are completed. Now it's time for installation. So solution number 1 is using an APK file. Launch browser on your Samsung Smart TV. Search for APK Mirror or APK Pure website. Look for the third-party app you want to install. Click the downloadable APK file. Then click install. Click install again to confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to install APK file on your Smart TV. Solution number 2 is viewers using command prompt on your PC or laptop. Go to your Samsung Smart TV settings. Click the network option. Then select information. Under their IP address section, copy the IP address of your Smart TV. Now open your Windows 10 PC, launch command prompt, type adb connect space your TV's IP address, then type install.apk. Once the process is done, type adb space disconnect space your TV's IP address to disconnect your Smart TV from your computer. Solution number 3 is viewers using a USB flash drive or thumb drive. First download APK file via laptop or computer and save the APK file on your FAT32 formatted USB drive. Then insert your USB drive to your Smart TV. Go to files and folder. Click the downloadable APK file. Click install. Click install again to confirm. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the APK file on your Smart TV. Now enjoy unlimited third-party apps in your Samsung Smart TV that you required. Viewers, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in comment section. We will be happy to reply them. Well, this is the video for today. Kindly like it and subscribe our channel, and goodbye friends.